Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which device and Google account you'll change. This prevents accidental global changes. Once signed in, open the Chrome or Google app settings and go straight to notifications or site settings. Make sure sync is off if you plan per device controls, because synced settings propagate. You're now ready to target prompts instead of general prefs. This initial focus saves time and avoids repeating steps across devices. Next, you dive into the middle steps. In site settings, find notifications, camera, microphone, and location. For each, set the default to block or to ask before sending, depending on whether you want 0 prompts or occasional confirmation. Then remove any saved exceptions for sites that previously had permission. If prompts persist, clear that site's data so old grants are forgotten. These actions stop recurring prompts at the source and explain why apps no longer interrupt you. To finish, restart your browser or Google app and verify changes by visiting a test site or reloading pages that used to prompt you. Make sure extensions aren't re-granting permissions. Disable them temporarily to check. If mobile, also inspect system app permissions in device settings. And if prompts still appear, reset browser settings or reinstall the app as a last resort. This clears hidden overrides. If something goes wrong, reset first. It's usually faster than chasing obscure settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.